In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Hyundai Elantra located at the base of your windshield. I'm going to go ahead and grab the driver's side wiper and we're going to swing this up. Now this particular wiper blade has a little release cap right here. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver and lift up on that. Now what you want to do is take that wiper and we're going to fold it down. And on the back side here, if you follow underneath, you're going to feel a little tab. And it kind of flexes up and back and forth. You want to flex it down. I'm using my pinky. You can use a pocket screwdriver if you want. Push it down. And you're going to grab the whole wiper blade and pull it down the arm. And it's going to unhook. Whatever you do, don't let this snap back and hit the windshield. It will crack the windshield. It will hold itself, but you don't want to bump it. So I like to gently rest it down while I go ahead and grab the new wiper blade and prepare that. Grab your new wiper blade. You want to go ahead and identify where the hook is going to go, and is inside this side here. Grab your wiper arm, swing it up. Grab that hook, or locate that hook, slide it in and over, and then pull the wiper up away from the arm. You can feel it and hear it lock into place. Get a little tug down and make sure it's locked into place. Ours is. So don't forget to go ahead and grab the protective sleeve over the wiper blade itself. Simply slide that off. And then lower the wiper blade down. I'm going to go ahead and repeat that process for the passenger side. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.